like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanket. In today's vlog, we are not unboxing anything. In today's vlog, we are doing a review of our last unbox item, which is Starq W3 Pressure Washer. So let's get started with the review. Now that machine is really nice. You can use that machine for washing your car, washing your bike, washing your garden, washing your parking area. So that machine is really nice, very handy, less noisy, and it's just awesome. So let's get started with the review. Also, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button. Let's get started. Firstly, park your car on a slope so that the water will easily get rinsed off. Connection for the machine is very easy and the build quality is just top notch. After all connections switch on the machine will take 30 to 45 seconds to build high pressure in it. Now we are ready to go. Just after pressure washing, the car is looking really nice. Now here's the party trick. You don't have to buy a foam cannon. You just have to use a bucket full of soap water and your foam cannon is ready to use. This is the Indian jugaad used for holding the inlet hose pipe. Now this foam is not thick as of the foam cannon, but it is really awesome if you don't want to pay 1400 extra for a foam cannon. After application of foam, wash your car with a normal water. Looking too good. If you want to buy this machine, the link is in the description. Thanks for all your support. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys. Thanks for watching.